What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am just popping on real quick to give you an update on my project Use It Up Part 2. So it's been about 2 months and I've gotten some stuff used up, so I just want to share with you what it is. I also used up some stuff that was not necessarily in the project Use It Up Part 2. It may have been from Part 1 that I finally got used up, or it may have been something that I just got used up in general. So I'm going to throw that in the end of this video as well. But I want to go ahead and do this so I can get rid of these empty bottles, okay? So first of all, in Project Use It Up Part 2, I said that I wanted to use up the Anasi mask. I had 2 of them. If you remember, they were here and here, and I said I might end up putting them together just to get them used up. That's exactly what I did. I put these together in this jar. I also added the Curly Bell deep conditioner that was here, and I put all 3 of those together and was able to get them used up in a deep conditioning session. Was it the best deep condition ever? No, it wasn't, but at least I got these used up, so I'm happy about that. Also from Curly Bell, outside of the deep conditioner in Part 2, I said I wanted to use up the Curly Bell gel. Well, as you can see, I put it here. I have not used it at all. So I'm still working on this. So this is one thing I did not get through, okay? But I got through these, so I'm happy about that. I also said that I wanted to use up the onion products, the Boing, the hairdo, as well as the burnt sugar pomade. I'm gonna be honest, I ain't touched none of these, okay? So I still have these to use up. So not doing too good there, but I'm still working on those, okay? I also said I wanted to use up the Strands of Faith co-wash and custard. Here's the co-wash. I have not used any of it, and I have not used any of the custard. And I will say that I don't have the custard here. It is back on my shelf because in the midst of me going through my series of everything in my stash, when I started cleaning up some of the products, I started putting stuff back on the shelf that was over here. So there you go. I haven't touched it either. So those are another set of products that I did not touch, but that's okay, because I got rid of some other stuff in their place, so that's okay. That's okay. I also said that I wanted to get rid of the Curl Origin Curl Cream, which was right here. I did use it up. Happy about that. I also said I wanted to get rid of the the honey and hibiscus whipped cream, which was a leave-in, and I did get it used up. I believe I already threw the bottle away on accident, so I don't have that to show, but it is used up. And then I also said I wanted to use up the pink superfoods from Curl Origin, and I was able to get it used up. So there's 3 other products that I got used up. So see, I mean, it's averaging out. It's averaging out. It's averaging out. I also said I wanted to use up the Cantu shampoo and styling glue gel, and I could have swore I used this shampoo up. But guess what? I'm looking at it, the line is here and it ain't moved. I swore I took this downstairs just to use it. Based on these lines, I haven't used these at all. I definitely want to break back into this. I've been saying that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this used at least pretty soon and see how, you know, how it works. I liked it the first time I used it, so let's hope I like it the second time, but didn't do anything with these. I tried. Okay, I also said that I wanted to use up the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Conditioner, which is here. I knew I wasn't going to use it up, but I definitely wanted to use it down because I've had these for a while and I don't want them to go bad. Of course, I have not broken into it, so I need to. I also wanted to use the Detangler leave-in, which I still haven't. It's still in the same place, so struggled there. And I also said I wanted to use the leave-in that is in the jar, the black Jamaican black castor oil leave-in. It's over on the shelf, so I'm not going to mess up my shelf anymore trying to pull stuff off, but I hadn't touched that either. Or did I use it? It's still full. I'm gonna put it that way. If I use it, it wasn't enough to talk about. So those are the things that I said I wanted to use up in Part 2. I did not get, it looks like 4 brands used at all, but I got 3 brands used up. So not too bad, right? Not too bad. But I want to go ahead and share with you some other things that I did get used up so I can get it off my shelf. I did use up the leave-in. I did say I wanted to use the Nasi leave-in. I did get it used up, so that's good. I also used up the Trelux Soothe and Restore Aloe Vera Curl Primer. It was not on my to be used up, but I only had a little bit in here, so I went on and used it, got it used up. I also used up the Sacred Hydrating Shampoo, which I said I wanted to use. I still have a little bit of the clarifying shampoo downstairs that I need to use, but I did get those 2 things used up, so I'm happy about that. And some other things that I got used up that I think I talked about in part 1 was the Curls Blueberry Bliss Mousse. Got it used up. I also got used up the She Scented Passion Fruit and Flax Creamy Leave-In. I also got used up the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In, as you can see. So they had the lines on them. I got them used up. I also used up the Frizz Wiz Curl Defining Leave-In. If you remember, I used a lot of these leave-ins in a concoction, a leave-in concoction. And that's how I emptied these bottles. I also used up the Papaya Pure Moisture leave-in. It wasn't one that was on the to be used up. It's just an extra product that I got used up. I also have in here the lemongrass conditioner, which I used up as well. If you remember, I put it in a different container and I got it used up. So that wasn't on the list, but I got it used up, so I'm happy about that. I also used up the Apricot and Lippe Softening Milkshake. And I also used up the For You by Tia Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. So a lot of these things were in the part 1 that I got used up, and I got used up a lot of part 2. So I'm still working on some of part 2, and I will do a part 3 shortly. So make sure you have your notification bells on so you will see what I intend to use up in part 3. Are you guys on the Project Use It Up train? Get on it with me. If you have a lot of products that you have open that you have not touched for a while that you need to use up, go ahead and join the Project Use It Up series that I'm doing, and let's get these products out of our stash. I got way too much stuff and I just got to get rid of a lot of this stuff. So yeah, so that is it for my follow-up to Project Use It Up number 2. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.